Would you like to clean up your clutter and make money? Thousands of people are getting paid to declutter other people's homes. But trust me, the best place to start is in your own home. In this video, I'm so excited to share this secret I discovered that has dramatically changed the way I think about my clutter. After using it, I've made $2,700 in 30 minutes. But before we start, make sure to check the links below in the description to know very powerful methods to make $1,000 and more per day instantly. So, make sure you don't miss out on that. Now, let's jump to the video, and make sure to watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. The benefits of decluttering your home are often overlooked. It can be a daunting task to tackle, but it is worth it in the end. We have to admit that decluttering is not a fun task. But it is necessary. Most of the time, we just do it to organize our space and make it look better. But there are some times when we need to declutter because we have too much stuff in our house and it's taking up all of the space. Decluttering can be done in many ways, but there are some steps that you can take to make this process easier for yourself. The first step is deciding what you want to keep and what you want to get rid of. The second step is getting rid of your old items by selling them. There are many reasons why people buy secondhand items, but the most common one is because they are cheaper. This means that you can save some money and still get the same quality. Selling your used items is a great way to get some money for your old stuff and a way to get some new items in return. It's a great option if you're looking to make some extra cash. Amazon makes it easy for people to sell things that they no longer need or want. They take care of the shipping, customer service, and returns so you don't have to worry about anything. That is called Amazon Trade-in Program. The Trade-in Program is a service on Amazon that allows customers to trade in used products for store credit. This program has been around for a while. The process of selling your old items on Amazon Trade-in is very simple. You just have to go to the website, find the product you want to trade in, and enter a few details about it. Then, Amazon provides you a quick quote with a trade-in value for your items along with free shipping. Follow the steps provided by Amazon, and once Amazon accepts your product, you will receive a gift card from Amazon. To sell your items in Amazon Trade-in, go to the Amazon Trade-in. You will find the list of eligible products in the store. If you did not find the product you are looking for, click on Find More Items. Answer a few questions about your item's condition to receive a trade-in quote. Amazon provides you with shipping information which you print and attach to the package. Upon receiving, Amazon examines your product to make sure its condition matches the description you provided. Usually, products in excellent condition will receive more money in the form of gift cards, whereas items in poor condition have chances to trade at a low value. Once your trade-in item is accepted, an Amazon gift card equal to the appraised value of your item and a promo toward a new qualifying Amazon device will be automatically applied to your account. Amazon Trade-in Program is a great way to sell your old electronics items such as mobile phones, cameras, laptops and tablets, gaming equipment, games and DVDs and books. Amazon accepts many products in the Trade-in Program. It's one of the best choices out there if you want to make some money by trading unwanted items. But Amazon Trade-in pays out in the form of gift vouchers. And these gift vouchers can be used to purchase items on Amazon. If you like to sell and get paid it in cash, also many retailers such as Best Buy, Walmart, and Target are allowing you to sell your items and get cash. There are other ways too, such as selling on Craigslist or at a yard sale. Also, one of the best ideas for how to make money from your clutter is by renting out your space to people who want to store their stuff. This can be done through sites like Airbnb and VRBO for short-term rentals, or through storage unit companies like U-Haul and Public Storage for long-term rentals. In the end, if you are looking for earning big money, make sure to check the links in the description below to start making more than $1,000 each and every day. If you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.